Test. 1 2 1 2. Test. Hi. Hi. How are you? I guess you can guess that I'm really tired, right? Oh my god. I took minutes. To. Oh. Yeah, I had to pack my stuff because I was about to leave, but then I had to unpack it because I got scammed by someone. I will make a video. I am very ashamed to say that I got scammed, but I'm gonna make a video on that so that you learn from my mistakes. Hopefully the sound is not too bad. If it is, I'm sorry. Hello. Look at my bags. Sorry, I guess that this is what tiredness looks like, you know? But that's my choice of working so much. Anyway, I come back with another video again, but this time it's job on campus. You're always asking me if ever there are jobs on campus, and yes, there are. With COVID, things have been slowed down, but there was still job on campus that I was posting. But now, um, because of the vaccine, passport, there are more jobs, and that means that the more jobs, the more jobs. There are more jobs. Well, there are more activities on campus mean needing more people, and in different areas actually. So you can still be a campus ambassador. I love being a campus ambassador. Since the first day I came on campus when there was no COVID, I was looking at the campus ambassador. I was like, shit, that's so cool. This. There are other things like international squad, but I think this is going to be on pause for now. There's nothing like that. But let's get to the gist of it. What are the jobs that you have? So you can be a bartender, you can be server, and this is at the last class, and this is really cool because the last class is where all the events are. So if there are karaoke, where they are, yeah, like it's like a mini on campus kind of nightclub, if you can put it that way, because back then like people were dancing, there was music, there was flirting, and exactly like in a nightclub, you know what it is. I don't have to tell you. Anyway, I was going to say, that being said, don't take a job as a server just to flirt, but well, never know what can happen. I'm just here to say that there are jobs on campus right now. If you want to be a campus ambassador, you can be a campus ambassador. There are some openings. You can still be a peer tutor and all these things, but now they are actually looking for waiter, so bartenders, waiter. This is for the last class. So you serve alcohol, you serve tea. So in the morning you serve tea, coffee, etc. During lunch and all these things, you actually serve. You actually serve alcohol. And my camera is not good. It's even worse right now. I don't know what I did to it. I don't know if maybe it's. Oh my god, the image is so fucked. Anyway, second thing, if you guys are into sports, if you're a little bit into sports, so the athletic center is looking for customer service. So customer service, they're normally at the front desk. So if ever you need to have some, I was gonna say inscription. Sorry, I'm mixing my French here. This is what tiredness looks like. If you need to do the application, so you can do that with them. Why you need to apply, you ask me. There are different things. There are like different clubs. I really enjoy rock climbing, so you need to register for rock. You need to be certified for rock climbing, and it's not. You can get someone to certify you. I am not on campus anymore, so I don't know how rock climbing works, but I do know that the gym is open. So you do need people for customer service. You do need front desk. You do need restoration. You do need application. I don't know if it was full time or part time. That one, no, I think it was part time. Yeah, I think it was part time. There was one for an assistant, a fitness assistant. So that being said, it was a really messy one. Very hyper. I'm very tired. But hey, guys, you're always looking for on campus job, and there's a lot of on campus job. There's a lot of on campus job at the moment. We work on shift. So even though you can be like, oh, my friend is going for customer service, I can't. No, you can. Someone working in the morning is not necessarily going to work at night. You have different schedules, classes at different time, and it. I think it's going to be really nice. I really enjoyed that when I was on campus. I was not too big into nightclubs. I think I should, but it's okay. And it's really fun. You can meet a lot of people. It's a nice way of getting indulged into college activities, and it's a way of working full time because you work 20 hours outside of campus, but you can work as many hours as you want on campus. That being said, Georgian allow you only 24 hours, but hey, 24 hours on campus and 20 hours off campus, so what? It's a full-time job. It can help you pay your bill. It can get helps you get involved into the Georgian community, which is an awesome community. I always say I've never been to any other colleges in Canada, but Georgian's still my favorite. I know there's some bad reviews about co-op, but guys, if you put in the effort, Jordan is so more than just classes. It's the people there, it's the adventure that you have, it's the cry, it's the stress, it's the support, it's wonderful. Well, that being said, I hope you can take advantage of that. I will leave a link in the description below. You're welcome. So just go to the link and send your resume. They should get back to you within the via email as well. Well, I hope you have fun. Just let me know how your adventure is. How is Georgian? How you're liking it? How you're not liking it? And yeah, I hope I see you in my next video.